Hello, today I'll show you what to do to solve the location issue on your phone. When you can't share your location, first go to Settings, find Privacy and Security, and then go to Location Services. Turn it on. Also check which apps require location access and enable them too. There. Another issue might be with screen time. Go to Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's enabled, check Location Services. You might see something like this. This is why it's not working. See, here everything might be turned off. So it's better to enable it. There, that's all. Was that helpful? If that doesn't work, restart your phone. Press the volume up and power buttons together, then turn it off. Try turning it back on. Hope that helps. Goodbye, everyone.